Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Gina. I am the owner and creator of Linear Love Day, and I am here today to help change your lives forever and for the better. I am a certified life coach and love assumption teacher, here to remind you of who you truly are. If you're interested in conscious creation, manifestation, and the love assumption, don't go anywhere because you're at the right place. Welcome to day 3 of my Love Assumption Advent Calendar. Today, I'm going to give you a scientific explanation on the working mechanism of the love assumption. I decided to combine the love assumption with quantum theory to make you better understand the correlation between the two. I brought you two quotes from two very influential people, one being Neville Goddard, the spiritual teacher I already mentioned yesterday, and the other being Albert Einstein, who doesn't need an introduction. Neville said that creation is already finished, which is backed up by Einstein's first law of thermodynamics that states energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only be changed from one form to another. Now, let me repeat those two again. Creation is already finished, and energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only be changed from one form to another. If both of these statements are true, then this means everything that ever happened in the past is happening right now, or will happen in the future, is already in existence right this moment. But how is that possible, and why aren't we perceiving all of it all at once? The answer consists of two parts, one being parallel realities, and the other being your extremely limited perception. If we are looking at all there is as 100%, then quantum mechanics suggests that out of that 100%, at any given time, you can only perceive 0.00001%. That's how limited your viewpoint actually is. When you're observing this 0.0001% as the absolute truth and you're choosing to put your energy and focus onto it, you are unconsciously choosing to ignore the other 99.99999% quantum possibilities that are just as real, but not yet manifested in this three-dimensional reality. We all have our subjective filters, consisting of our five senses, our limiting beliefs, and our subconscious programming. These are the determining factors of what your 0.00001% is going to look like. That is the teeny tiny fragment of reality that you're calling your life. Let me put it this way. Out of all the infinite possibilities, more often than not, you're putting your precious focus and attention on unwanted things, things you're worrying about, circumstances that you do not want to experience. But because your attention and focus is your vantage point, and it determines what your subjective filter is going to be, you are unconsciously filtering out all the possibilities of a better life, of better circumstances, of better outcomes. And all that's left is all your fears and all the things you never wanted to experience in the first place, now all visible and manifested in the 3D reality so that you can experience them. Crazy, huh? But do you know what's even crazier? When you experience something you don't like, as a human being, you love to feel sorry about yourself and complain all about it to your friends, family, coworkers, basically anyone within hearing distance. And guess what that is doing? You are sustaining that negative state with your continuous attention and focus so that it keeps you stuck in the undesired reality even longer. And what is the result of thinking that way? You're going to keep manifesting similar realities with unwanted outcomes over and over and over and over. So, how can you change all this? How can you switch your viewpoint and use a new filter to shift to your preferred reality? I will talk all about this on day 4. But that was it from me today, guys. I intend this was helpful. If it was, please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe so more and more people get to know this stuff. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you're having an incredible day. May the rest of your life be the best of your life. And I'll see you tomorrow.